Alright, welcome back everyone. Friday night, June 9th. These guys just let all their balloons go. They're like way over there somewhere. Quite a few people out for Friday night. It's pretty chilly though. The sun has not, I'm not sure if it came out or not today over here. Can't remember that far back. But there are a lot of people out, and I think the summer has started. Well, school is out. Forever. That was an exciting time. Not sure if I get a chance to go downtown tonight or not. I might not be able to make it. I'd like to. Maybe Blue and I will take a walk down there. Need to keep exercising. Oh, somebody left their baby stroller, the baby in there, out here at the water. No, I don't think so. This piece of wood is there. Can't really say what the weather's going to be for this weekend. Water's looking pretty rough and looking pretty cold out here right now. So, you never know. Hopefully it'll be nice tomorrow, but I'm saying it's going to get warmer and warmer, but I don't see that happening yet. It's already almost the 15th. Blue is determined to eat something before I get him to the back to the doctor. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Channel is continually growing. If I have a chance tonight, I'm gonna try to do a live video. If I feel up to it. I got dog food to make. A lot of extra stuff going on, so hopefully I get a chance to do a live video and talk about how I built the channel. So after reading more about the Samsung S23 Ultra, I think that's a better phone for videos. It has a gimbal built in there, plus with the cameras that it has, it's just ideal for making videos. Be the best phone. I gotta see how much I could trade one in and get the other, because this is already almost filled up and I don't even have any videos or pictures on there yet. And it's already, I have to check and see the exact, but how your stuff follows you. I don't have stuff that follows because I don't back it up, so it stays on the other phone. So that's nice. So maybe I do have a little bit more than I thought, but but I'm thinking that the Ultra would be a better phone for making videos. Ah. Right. Ah. Stop. Blue's trying to make a girlfriend. Blue's trying to get that girl. Dog. He's pulling crazily on the thing. No, he's not. Where to? Back to pulling again. Gotta touch that nose on the ground. So I gotta try to keep him like 3 inches off. Everybody's getting ready to head in right now. The non-sun is almost down. Maybe it'll peek over there between that little crack in the cloud in the water. Clouds in the water, maybe a little pinch of sunlight will peek through there, but you never know. You never can tell. 7:53, I think. 7:50, somewhere in there. Somewhere around in there. Oh, finally a different muscle he's pulling on. Thanks again to all the new subscribers. Thanks for all the people that continue to watch the channel. Thank you to everyone to help building the channel. I appreciate every one of you. You are the reason that we're able to do this and keep going. I'm gonna try to do more, but it takes me a little bit longer. We'll go over that later if we have a chance. Thanks again, you guys, and hopefully we'll see you at the beach this weekend.